Hello guys, if you wanna use AdBlock on your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, I highly recommend you to use the Opera mini browser because it has built-in the AdBlock. So let's go over the Opera, and as you can see, currently we are on our website HardReset.Info, and for example we can go for the articles like how to use an uphill, and as you can see there is no any ads on this site. And if we click here, you see that one ads were blocked. But of course, if you don't like this browser and if you want to use it for Google Chrome, you have to go to the Google Play Store, click here and type AdBlock. There's a list of available applications. I will go for the first, click install. We have until this finished downloading. And now we can open our AdBlock. And as you can see, we have to click here to use the AdBlock. Click on OK, and there is loading block engine. Okay, and as you can see, there's notification that AdBlock is working. So now we can try with Google Chrome. We are going to our website HardReset.Info. And as you can see, there's also no any ads. We are going to articles again, Xiaomi camera modes, and there is no any ads. And when we go back to our AdBlock, you will see that 16 ads were blocked. So this is how it works on this device. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.